Have you ever wondered why the bell curve is literally everywhere? From human genetics to the stock market. To understand why nature loves this shape, we have to play a game of pure chance. Imagine dropping a single ball into a 3D grid. At every step, it randomly bounces forward, backward, left, or right. It makes dozens of random choices. When it finally lands in a bin at the bottom, its exact location feels completely unpredictable. But watch what happens when we unleash the most powerful rule in statistics, the Central Limit Theorem. Let's drop 10,000 balls simultaneously. The chaos begins to organize. The bins start to fill. Notice how the balls hitting the far edges are incredibly rare. To land there, a ball would have to randomly bounce in the exact same direction every single time. It's highly improbable. Instead, the vast majority of the balls cancel out their own movements. A bounce left is followed by a bounce right. Because of this, they cluster tightly in the exact dead center of our grid. As the bins finish filling, a shape emerges from the pure noise. Our chaotic, random system has perfectly built a 3D normal distribution. Pure randomness always scales into perfect order. This is the Central Limit Theorem. It proves that whenever you add up enough independent random events, their sum will always converge into a bell curve, no matter what the original odds were. This is the ultimate cheat code of statistics. It means we can use math to predict the average outcome of almost anything. Next time, we put this power to the test with hypothesis testing. Thanks for watching.